if I'm just running an ad, you don't know who I am. It's hard to sell. Just coach with me.
Yeah.
So now it's shifting into a lot of done for you and B2B services, like actual services is really what's working in our industry. And I think that'll keep working, and that'll probably turn into more AI enabled B2B services. But I think one of the big opportunities to kind of go with what you were saying is I think there will be a lot of like vibe coded or light coded 1 to 3K. They'll sell almost like in the same monetization as courses.
Yeah.
So it'll be like
Exactly.
1K or 2K off of a webinar, or it'll be like a series of ascension funnels, but they'll be like little mini SaaSes all the way through. And it's something that anybody can do. And I think that'll be the next wave of internet marketing.
Yeah.
I thought of that literally as I was lying in bed last night.
No, I made a video of it. The thumbnail is info products are dead, which I don't believe. I feel like info will always, if it's specific to a person and it's your way of doing things, then AI,
well, it's curated in the way that makes sense to you, right?
Yes.
But I think what is different and is it's dead if nobody knows who you are. And it's pure info, right? It's very hard to run an ad to a course and make those numbers work. I'm not saying nobody will buy, but to make those numbers work. But if you launched a course on your content system, your audience would buy. But that's because they already have trust in you, and they just want to know, okay, great, I could ask AI, but like I just want to know what Dan's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps are.
Yeah. So the gist of that video was, I think almost everything related to info is just going to transcend to like micro SaaS.
Yeah.
And people doing the same thing. So if you were selling like a dating program, you literally just create a ChatGPT wrapper with a system prompt that is the course that would teach people how to text girls, or create a coach that people can type into like ChatGPT that's specialized for that thing. Of course, it can evolve beyond just like a chat interface and be like a dashboard or something of that nature. But one thing I've had a lot of success with without building a SaaS is just giving out prompts, because I love creating like really in-depth prompts that I can give along with my videos or content in general. Because if I'm talking about the 9 stages of ego development and how to think from a higher level, that's all info. But then the implementation can be as simple as like this really good prompt that asks people clarifying questions to get a feel for who they are, understand their situation, and then it spits out, here's what your level of thinking is, here's where you are, here's the steps you can take forward, and people just eat that up. So if you can wrap that in a nice UI just by getting good at prompt engineering and telling it to go and build something, like that's something you could do overnight and see really good results.
If you enjoyed this clip, you can check out the full podcast by clicking on the screen right here to check out the full episode.